Yeah, welcome back, dudes. It's good weather today. I have too many clothes on. It'll get cooler though. Can you help me? Can you change this to the other hand? Can I? Is it possible to put it on here? No, right. More close to my hand is better. This is like a king being dressed by some servants.
The servants will use her eyes to kill you.
Yes, now feed me grapes.
Guys, the reality is opposite. Someone gave me body cream and a massage last night and put me into bed.
Don't start exposing all your... You don't need to sell out your whole life to do stuff.
Oh, I should let them know. What?
Okay, bye, says sexual. Oh my. I was worried that Tracy would be worried that I'm just inviting her to my place to Netflix and chill. But so I wanted to say it's fine if you don't feel comfortable, but before I even started typing it, she's like, yeah, it's fine for me. No problem. I came back from England visiting some relatives, and Tracy came and met me at like 8 a.m. at the airport with pancakes that she made.
Come on, why you laugh? Why you laugh?
Because it's so much.
What?
You must be super interested in me.
No, sweet. Well, at that time we already started dating. We all start date in this house.
Nope, you're still trying to catch me.
No, we start date.
No touchy.
2 hours later.
When we were on our first like hanging out unofficial date, I did kind of a weird thing. I pulled out a picnic rug in the middle of a night in the park. Do you remember that?
Yeah. And then you asked me, do you want to be a girlfriend?
And you said no. You said not yet. That's only because your friend said don't start dating him straight away.
No.
Because you were so into me at that time.
I just want to rush. I just want to calm down a little bit.
But yeah, because you can't come down, right? Too excited.
Oh.
It's the point. Oh, they have fried something. Dude, I'm so tempted by the fried things. Let me show you what else you can do. Here, they have a look. Look, they have a special train under here. It's all empty at the moment. Please take all plates you see. Hi. This is Tracy's one. Egg. Dude, who that? Thanks so much, man. I get it. Eating healthily, smash. Stay all stream, smash. Pay attention to wife, smash. Sleeping skills, smash. Hygiene, smash. Smash. Rose soup, smash addiction. It's the most expensive one.
Not most.
It is. Oh no, I'm wrong. It's only $3. Never mind, I'm wrong. This one works level 4. I have to be a good American. This one's $1. USA. Yeah. Oh, it's my one. Tuna.
That's my one, scallop. Look.
And a fresh tuna. Today's fresh tuna. Alright, time to enjoy my patriotism. It comes in a little jar of cut sauce and a little. It's like a giant chicken nugget, but actually it's avocado. And you grab your red plates. Yeah, I'm cost conscious. Well, actually really good. Smashed it. This is my salmon. Look at it. Look at my long salmon. Excuse me, my please. Hi, Damas.
Oh. You ordered crab.
Yeah. No, actually it's real crab, I think. It looks like real crab, at least.
Oh, real.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. She mad a little? No, she's just impressed with my eating ability. Let's go see some cats. Oh, it's so bright. Ah, sunlight. We arrived. Yep. So many cats. Amazing.
Cute, the shadow there.
Yeah.
And he's licking. Try to lick.
Yeah.
Look. And this one is old. It's Oji-chan. He's Oji-chan. Old cat. Meow, meow, meow. Kite, kite. Meow, meow.
Is it food?
Yeah, food.
Oh, I see.
How
It's like,
can I
it's
feed
like
them?
liquid.
Okay, just like
Maybe,
this.
maybe like this? I wonder what it tastes like.
Don't eat, Hama, don't eat.
No, not me. I mean for them.
Making me miss having a kitty.
That's the cutest thing, right? When they do that. Like this one is it?
Oh, this one let me pet. Oh, this one let me pet.
It's on this, right?
Look, you jump very high.
He loves his slippy blanket.
On the camera,
Cleaning content and sleeping content. Bye bye. Sayonara. Yeah, bye. Bye, cats and the grandpa cat.